delighted to be here at the Dubai Airshow. We've got the latest equipment that can help us deliver sustainability on the ground at an airport.
We operate 130 airports around the world, absolutely keeping the customer at the heart of all of our decisions.
Within dnata, sustainability has moved beyond, it's not just a commitment.